Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello viewers, welcome to my new video. I hope you all are fit and fine. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah. Today I will discuss the importance of reading newspaper. Let's go start. Reading newspaper is a good habit. Reading newspaper, we know many essential things of home and abroad. People read people read newspaper for both pleasure and information. Newspaper can satisfy the people of all walks of life. A politician knows about the politics. Likewise, a businessman knows about the trade and commerce. In conclusion, reading newspaper, we know about the present world. This knowledge plays a very important role to change the world. I think newspaper is very important or useful to us. We should read newspaper. That's all for today. Before that, uh, it is true that newspaper. It is true that and the importance of newspaper is less because getting mobile phone. Is it true? That's all for today. Thank you all for listening to me. See you later, inshallah.